Hey guys, Ben here from Cinderblock Studios, and in place of a regular video this week, I'm going to be doing a live art stream. This one's a little bit different. It's because I'm getting my quarterly batch of art supplies. So I've got a massive shipment coming in. I'm really excited to sort of like unbox everything and show you all the kind of cool stuff I got. So that will be happening around 7 p.m. EST, hopefully. Actually, chances are I will be doing sort of a pre-show, which is what I did the last time I did one of these haul videos, specifically the live one. So from 7 to 7:30 there'll be sort of a start up to it, and then I'll probably actually be opening things and taking things out of the boxes by about 7:30. So again, that's Eastern Standard Time, based on however that works for you, is when I'll be streaming, and I hope to see you here back on the channel to say hi and chat, I guess. So again, 7 o'clock EST tonight, live unboxing of art supplies, answering questions as always, and maybe doing some art in between.